Hey everybody, let's take a look at the pelvic tilt to bridge. This powerful yet often overlooked exercise is key to unlocking strength and stability throughout your entire body. Let's get started. Begin by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms overhead, palms facing up, and keep them flat on the ground throughout the movement. First, we engage the core with a simple pelvic tilt. Draw your lower back toward the floor, activating those deep abdominal muscles. Hold that tension. Now, with control, press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes as you rise, aiming to form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. This move is all about strength and control. Hold for a moment at the top, feeling the activation in your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Then, slowly lower your hips, letting your spine roll back down, vertebra by vertebra. Keep going. Each rep strengthens your core, tones your legs, and helps improve your posture. Feel that burn? That's your body getting stronger. This move is excellent for spinal health, core stability, and unlocking the power of your posterior chain. Stick with it, and your body will thank you. Let's keep going, focusing on form, strength, and balance.